Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. First, open your YouTube. Then, click your profile icon at the right side corner. Then find the restricted mode. Click it and turn off the restricted mode. If you are not signed in YouTube, this is the second method to turn off your restricted mode. Click the three dots at the right side corner. Find restricted mode and click it. Then, turn it off. Then that's it. That's how you turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.